Have you ever wondered, is gasoline like an energy drink for cars? In fact, a car engine is like an energy translator. It takes the chemical energy in gasoline through one small explosion after another and translates it into kinetic energy that turns the wheels. Today we'll take 3 minutes to deconstruct the heart of the car and see how it all happens. First, we need to know the core space inside the engine, called the cylinder. You can think of it as a giant syringe with a plug inside that slides up and down called a piston to turn gasoline into power. The engine must repeat 4 magical steps. The first step is called intake. During this time, the piston moves down, sucking in a mixture of gasoline and air. Here is a key point. Why add air? Because as we learned in middle school science, combustion requires oxygen. Without air, gasoline cannot be ignited. The second step is called compression. The piston pushes back up, squeezing the air-fuel mixture tightly. Why squeeze it? Because after the gas is compressed, the pressure increases and the temperature rises. This makes the power of the explosion stronger. The third step is the soul of the car, the power stroke. At this moment, the spark plug in the engine emits a tiny spark, just like a lighter, igniting the compressed gas. With a bang, the gas instantly combusts and expands, generating a massive thrust, forcefully pushing the piston down. This thrust is the true force that moves the car forward. The final step is called exhaust. The piston pushes up again, pushing the spent exhaust out of the tailpipe, clearing space for the next intake. Now you might ask, the piston only moves up and down, but the wheels run in circles. This is thanks to a clever part called the crankshaft. Imagine yourself riding a bicycle. Your thighs are like pistons, moving up and down, but your feet are on the pedals, driving the gears to spin through connecting rods. The engine is the same, using the crankshaft to convert up and down forces into rotational motion, finally reaching the tires, and the car blasts off. So, a car is actually a machine constantly undergoing micro-explosions. Now you know how gasoline cars run. But what about electric vehicles with no ignition and no exhaust smoke? What principle makes them run? If you want to know, remember to follow us. Next time, we'll talk about the secrets of electric motors. See you next time. Bye-bye.